Hello guys, and welcome to my video, and today we'll be doing a quick review on this smart robot car kit that I got from Amazon, and I will post a link to where exactly I got it from, what shop, in the description down below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. This is like the starters kit, and I never had a robot kit before. This is gonna be a really cool thing because it has a bunch of functionalities, and it's just crazy in what it does. And I mean, it's a starters kit, and knowing that, and also knowing that it's capable of doing a lot of stuff, like this sensing, like it has barrier sensors. It's programmable, so you can control it with your phone wirelessly, with Bluetooth. It has Bluetooth modules and everything. I mean, half of the stuff I don't even know the name to, but it has quite a bit of stuff that it can do. So let me show you what's inside really quick. First of all, we have the sticker over here tells you what's inside over here. So we have this is what the car is gonna look like once it's done. Now it has also a remote control, which is also gonna help control the car. But I recommend you use the Bluetooth modules to control the car with, and which is that little motherboard sort of dip module right there. It comes with the USB wire right here. It comes with this there's another wire and a bunch of other wires, and you're gonna use those. I don't even know most of the things in here, but the CD that it comes with, it's a PDF files in there, so use a computer to go ahead and go inside and see how you can do this step by step. Now, just a week, I think a couple days ago, actually, they reached out to me and they sent me an updated instruction manual PDF files, which was really nice. So these guys are really nice. They sent me an easier version of the CD and through email. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that out now. I'm not gonna show you how to put everything together because it is gonna take quite a bit of time, but and I'm gonna ruin it for you. So I'm gonna be actually doing this on my own, and hopefully when I get a chance, I'll put a video on YouTube about how I did it. So I'm not gonna show you this right now because Amazon is gonna limit me of how long of a video I can put on the Amazon. So then it comes with where to go, these two bases over here, which are the two over here. Comes with like 4 of the motors, control 4 different wheels. Got a DC connector right there, the USB module thing right there, a bunch of other stuff, and this is like the battery case, which you are gonna need to put right over there on top to power up the device. It's got copper cylinders, which is gonna hold the two bases together in a distance. Then we got a bunch of screws to mount all the pieces together. We have the motor drive boards right over there. We have, screws. Look at all these screws over here. So it's gonna take a long time. So I'm really excited about putting this thing together, and I did not want to ruin it for you, so therefore I'm not gonna do it in front of this camera. And so the 4 wheels, and then just a bunch of other stuff. All of these things are in quantities, so you guys are gonna make sure everything is there. Now, as you can see, I haven't even taken it out of the bags yet because I did not have a chance to. I didn't have time because my son was really sick, and I didn't have time to even look at it. But it's been a week and a half or so since I got this. But bear with me here. So I'm gonna go. This is the Bluetooth module, I think. Yep, this is it right here. As I showed you right over there. I'm sorry because I'm not gonna know most of these names of the product of the devices, but that's why they provide you with this CD. So make sure you guys follow that. I'm not an expert. This is my first time, so we're gonna be on the same page. Now let's go through these one by one, and I'm gonna try to read what they are off of this thing over here. So here we have what is this, the servo, oh nope, that's a servo motor, I guess. It's got a button on, it's a servo motor, so I don't know what that is, but we'll read the instruction down there. We'll see how it goes. I know what this is. This is the Bluetooth module, so once you put this on the car, your phone will be able to read that, so I know what that is. Here we have, I see a heat sink on there, but this thing right here is the motor driver board. So this is gonna drive the motors, I guess. Right. Again, I'm not an expert, so there it goes. We got some line tracking module, three pieces in here. So, actually, this robot is also capable of tracking. If you happen to have like electric tape running in a sort of on the table, the robot is gonna follow the electric tape. So, which is also really cool. So it's kind of like a road when you go driving. You know, your car is gonna stay in one lane. This robot is gonna do the same thing, like kind of like the Tesla cars nowadays. The battery case over here. We got the, I did not expect these batteries to be this big, but we have 4,800 milliamp battery. That's crazy. I thought they look really small on there, but these are really great. So we got batteries that are humongous in a case. So let's take a look just really quick, and I don't want to take too much time because the video, again, Amazon is going to limit me for this. So really big batteries, guys. So there we have that. We got the wires to connect the components together. Don't worry, you're not going to do no soldering on this robot, because again, they're just plug and play. So I mean, this is starter's kit. Now I'm pretty sure they have other kits that allow you to solder. They require you to solder, but this is not that type of kit. So this right here is to mount up the sensor, the line, what is that called, ultrasonic sensor. So barrier sensor right there. This is to mount it on the car. As you can see, it's like right down below there. Here we have the adapter to charge the batteries. So these batteries are rechargeable. Sorry guys, I'm recording with this thing and I hate this arm. So the rechargeable battery, rechargeable batteries. So you can plug it in and then plug it into an outlet, and we're gonna recharge. We have the 4 motors. They're just DC motors, the regular kinds. I'm not sure the voltage on them, but they're gonna be low. So I mean, it's a robot and you're not gonna sit on the car. So that's that. Here we have the tools that you need. The cute little screwdriver. It's like almost 2 of those pieces of my finger. Yeah, I don't know how to say that. But we got 2 Allen keys and a screwdriver. It's a plus Phillips screwdriver. We have another Phillips bigger screwdriver that they provide you with, which is really nice. Here we have the screws. About how many of them? I have no idea. Yeah, so a lot of screws to mount up the pieces together. We have more screws on here. About 10. Actually, this is 10, and this is 4 of them. I don't know. That don't look like 10, but they are 10. And then we have the little screws to do more mounting. Here are the bigger screws. These ones over here. Again, that's gonna help you connect the pieces together. Here we have the remote, which is gonna help you control the robot. So right, left, right, whatever. Okay, you know. The robot again is very programmable. So I think they're gonna show you a software or something, coding or something like that. So if you guys know how to code, I'm gonna be taking classes this summer quarter. So I'll be learning how to code because I'm an electrical engineering student, and so I'm gonna know how to do Java and stuff like that. So I don't know what kind of program they use, but they're gonna use some sort of program to code the robot certain things you want it to do. So I think you can use that for this as you know, in this remote thing. Here we have another. Actually, this is the UNO-R3, which I do not know what that means, but that's what that is. We're gonna learn again. Oh look, it says Uno right there. That's what UNO, I don't know how to say it, but that's what that is. Here we have another, I'm sorry guys, I'm not even gonna take it out of the bag right now because you guys are gonna do this yourself. You know, it's gonna be fun that way. But this one right here is the Wi-Fi Zero extension board, whatever that means, but looks cool. You know, it's a motherboard. Here is the sensor. This is probably the coolest thing in the entire kit, I really think, because these look like the eyes of the robot in the movie. What was that movie called? I don't know if you guys know WALL-E, but yeah, that's what that looks like to me, and I'm gonna call my car kit WALL-E again. These are the barrier sensors, so it's gonna go next to a wall and be like, oh, there's a wall there, can't go any further. So it's gonna reverse, gonna turn this using this motor. Let me find that motor really quick so you know what I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure it's this motor right here. This goes right on top over here, and it's gonna use this motor, I believe, to turn the head in a direction where there is no barrier, and it will choose that path. Pretty smart robot. But these are the 4 wheels. These are actually newly designed. They are actually, let's go ahead and take a look inside really quick. These are newly designed, and they're not heavy wheels because the robot needs, and they actually have a nice grip on them. So you know, don't worry about a surface, you know, that's gonna slide up. This is like super rubbery, so you're gonna have a nice grip on that. So they 4 of them right over here. Then we have other mounts. These over here, do not know where they go, but again, we'll learn that. Bunch of other screws, more screws and nuts. We got tiny more screws and tiny nuts, and we got those 1 2 3 4 5 6 copper cylinders, which is gonna hold these 2 guys in a certain distance. And so all these components over here that I just showed you are gonna go in between them. So this is the size of the robot car. Fairly decent, very nice, and I'm very excited. So that's about it, guys. That's all that there is in this kit. Make sure you guys go ahead and put the CD in the computer and give it a good run on the PDF, and you guys are gonna learn it nice.